Hi guys, it's your girl, it's the Baking Betty. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing to you yet another simple and delicious recipe. It's the oatmeal and cranberry cookie. Now this cookie has a tendency of disappearing as soon as it gets out of the oven. That's how delicious it is. It's very chewy on the inside and yet crisp on the outside. Guys, let's get this cookie done. First step is to mix in our dry ingredients in a separate bowl. So I'm adding 2 cups of flour, and into that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, and then pinch of salt, and then next we add in 1.5 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then you just give those a quick mix and set them aside. Okay, we are ready to mix in our next set of ingredients. So in another bowl, I'm adding 1 cup of slightly melted butter. So I've just melted this butter in the microwave. And then, I'm adding it in there. And then into the butter, I'll be adding the sugars. So I'm adding in 1 cup of white granulated sugar. And into that, we'll add in 2/3 cups of brown sugar. So I'll give those a very generous mix until they are very fluffy and creamy. I want them to be very creamy. So I'll just, give them a good mix until I get that. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm just going to continue mixing that in. Right, I'm just going to go in with the spatula to scrub the sides to make sure that whatever that was sitting on the side gets mixed with the rest of the butter, and then give that a quick mix again just to make sure everything is well combined before adding our last ingredient for this particular step. Right, so lastly I'm adding 2 large eggs, and I'm just going to give that again a quick mix until well combined. Okay, quickly scraping the sides again. If you notice, I like scraping the sides because I want to make sure that everything gets mixed in together. So I'm adding now the dry ingredients to the rest of the dough, and then I'm just gonna mix that together as well until it's well blended or well combined. We are now ready to fold in the oats and the cranberries. So I'm adding in 1 cup of oats and 2/3 cups of cranberries. And then I'm just going to use a spatula to fold in everything together. Okay, continue folding in those until they well combined into the batter. Guys, this is where you can be creative. You are not limited to cranberries at all. You can actually throw in there some chocolate chips. Can either be white, dark, or milk. It's up to you. You can also add in raisins, nuts. The list is endless. Just be creative and make these cookies. They are nice either way. Okay, what I'm doing now is I'm scooping out equal parts of the dough using an ice cream scoop into the baking sheet. I will not be flattening the dough, because that will happen during the baking process. So we'll be baking these at a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes, maximum of 10 minutes, guys, please. And please keep a very close watch on these because they bake very fast. And after they bake, you'll notice they still very soft. Do not be alarmed if they are like that, or they are supposed to be like that, because they do get harder as they are chilling. So yeah, but please just watch them, not more than 10 minutes. They will be ready. They are very, very quick to bake. And then my little bakers joined me in my studio. They're like, "Mommy, can you just please just give us that extra dough? Let us show you what we're capable of." And I was like, "Guys, you even have to ask." I love baking with my boys, guys. This is how we bond. This is us. This is how we roll in this house. The concentration, the focus. Hey, these guys, these bakers, yeah, they did them things. Guys, please bake with your kids. Kids love baking. They really do. Just involve your kids. You can do cookies, cupcakes, muffins, pancakes, anything, all these easy things. Get them involved. Just do that, please. I'm begging you. And so, OMG, look at my cookies. Look at them. Look, just look at them. Of course, we just have to make them pretty. We have to eat pretty, right? Ne? You agree with me, okay? Okay. But anyway, I'm just using white chocolate melted just to drizzle and adding some voom in my cookies just before we indulge, and then we show them who we are, what we're made of. Guys, these cookies are super nice. They are very delicious. Like I said, they are very crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Try them out and be very creative. Happy cookie making. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really do appreciate it. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like, comment, and very important, please keep sharing my videos so we can grow this family. See you on my next video. Until then, stay blessed and happy baking.